I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I thought I'd take you along with me as I redecorate my entryway. I hope you enjoy.
I'm one heartbeat away from going mad.
So guys, this is currently my entryway. You've seen me decorating times here, where I usually just add pieces of decor for each season. However, I wanted to go a very glamorous look, guys, and thanks to my sheer love of Pinterest, as well as this amazing account called Collective and Company Home that I follow on Instagram, I drew my inspiration from them, guys, and I wanted to do a very glamorous feel here. So I started bringing out my mirrored dresser, and it was from Shine Mirrors. I picked up a couple of years ago. It's my favourite dresser, guys, in my whole house, and I knew it'd go perfect in my entryway. Now last year I picked up these absolutely stunning French provincial mirrors that are from 1825 Interiors. I picked up two of them, guys, and when I brought them home I absolutely loved them, but just couldn't find the perfect spot for them. I moved these mirrors around the house many times but just didn't feel right about them, but as soon as I put them here I knew they had found their home. Now guys, an inexpensive way for you to get that chinoiserie look. I absolutely love the blue and white china at the moment, and I picked up this beautiful wallpaper from Amazon, and I had some left over from a previous project, and I wanted to look into getting some wall art, but it was so expensive, guys, for chinoiserie wall art. But I come up with this idea, and unfortunately I didn't film this part, but I decided to just grab two inexpensive wall art from Kmart. These were $19 frames from Kmart, and all I did is stuck the peel and stick wallpaper over the top to give me that instant look. Now, sticking with the glamorous French provincial theme, I recently picked up two of these stunning urns, guys, from the website Temple and Webster. They have the most gorgeous decor. I'm so in love with that website. Now, a couple of years ago, I had these beautiful topiaries from TK Maxx, and it was another item in my home that I just couldn't find the right spot for, and I knew that they would fit perfectly inside the urns. Now on my dresser I added this gorgeous baby blue bowl that I recently picked up from Provincial Home Living. Now inside the bowl, guys, I came across these beautiful white fake topiaries from my local dollar store. I actually bought two of them. I placed one inside this bowl and I think it looks so beautiful. I then added a baby blue rabbit to the top to add a little bit of an Easter touch. To the middle of my mirrors, I added this beautiful wreath that I'd already had up. It's from TK Maxx, guys, and I just think it ties in so perfectly with those French provincial mirrors. So guys, here is my glamorous French provincial entryway makeover. I'm so happy with how it came. So guys, have you got an area in your home that you just feel you can't get right? I felt that way with my entryway. Now you've seen me decorate this area so many times and I've always loved the look, but I never knew how much I really love something until I did this particular design. I love how my chinoiserie inspired wall art came. Just by using some inexpensive wall art from Kmart and some Amazon peel and stick wallpaper, I was able to create the look I was aiming for. Now guys, off camera, I actually used some really strong double-sided tape underneath the bunny so he could sit on top. I didn't want him falling over and ruining my good dresser. Now guys, do you absolutely love the glamorous side of French Provincial? I am so drawn to it. I get a lot of inspiration from different places that I visit as well as Pinterest and Instagram. But guys, I feel that this entryway look really is Shell's Glam Home. Now another little project I want to add to my entryway, guys, is my front door. Now this is the back of my front door stained timber, but I actually want to paint it a gorgeous baby blue to match that chinoiserie wall art. Now guys, coming up in a future video, my hubby and I are about to undertake a big project. Now on the opposite wall, going through the entire house, we are going to add some beautiful wainscoting. And I'm planning on painting my beautiful angel wings from Early Settler the baby blue as well.
He would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your entryway. Now Now guys, next week I am going to be sharing with you my Glamorous Easter home tour for 2022. Now don't forget to tap your notification bell because it will be jam-packed with glamorous Easter decor. I'm going to show you some rooms that I've never shown on YouTube before, and I can't wait to share it with you. So don't forget to tap your notification bell. I upload every Thursday evening at 8:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love if you'd hit that subscribe button and become a part of Shel's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.